In this table, we want to bring employee IDs based on the department. Here we have the main data in which we have employee ID, name, department, etc. So from this table, we want to bring employee IDs under each department based on the department. For example, this is employee ID 1001. This belongs to HR. We want to bring here under HR. This 1002, this employee is working in IT. We want to bring employee ID under IT department. 1003 working in finance. We want to bring under finance. How we can do this? First option, obviously we can do manually. As we are doing this, we can manually copy and paste here, but it will take a lot of your time. For this data, it is possible, but let's say if you have hundreds of the employees, hundreds of the row, I don't think this is possible, right? So we need to find out some solution that can help us. We have a solution. Yes, we have a solution. We have a function that we can use to figure this out. We can use the filter function. By using filter function, we will be able to bring here all the employee IDs that belongs to these specific departments. How we can use this? Let's start. Equal sign, filter function, obviously open parenthesis, array. We will select these range in which we have employee IDs that we want to bring here. Because we have this specific range, we will use F4 to log the range, then comma. Second argument is include. On which base we want to bring here employee IDs, that is the department. We will select the department, the full range, again use F4 to log the range. Equal sign, this range should be equal to what? Should be equal to this department, right? That is HR. We will select the department in which we have the department name, close parenthesis, enter, and here we go. For HR, we have here all the employee IDs or all the employees who have these IDs that are working in HR department. To bring for all these other departments, simply we need to drag to the right under all the departments, and here we go. Instantly, we extracted the employee IDs based on the department. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to share this knowledge with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye-bye.